Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. We are Promise. I'm Leon. Let's show everybody. Today I will show you my showroom. Here is a blank wall. It's made by wooden and it's difficult to make this. If you're interested, you can contact me. Okay, let me show you something else. Here is a China famous brand multi. I can show you the shop. It's a really shop in our showroom. But contain cabinets and wall, something like a bottle, a big bottle. Okay, next brand is Canada Goods. It's a clothes brand. Also here is a museum. It's a custom made by metal and glass. You can see how very expensive, something. I don't know how to speak English, but you can leave a message for me. Here is another brand. It's Apple shop. It's famous brand in China. All this is made by us in my factory. So if you're interested, you can contact me. Okay, next shop is a cosmetic shop. It's AP. It's a Korea brand. It's very beautiful. If you want to more detail, you can contact me. I can show you more about how we made it. Yeah, this famous brand. Okay, let me show you next. Yeah, this display contents all for cosmetic. But I will show you some real things. This cosmetic is not good for seeing. So I will show you. Now we want to do coffee bar cotton. Yeah, you can watching the showroom. Everything is made by us. Science, print, a light box. Also, we did the coffee shop. This is not finished, but I can show you how to use it. Here is a display cabinets, or maybe like a gas curtains. We can put the cake. Ice cream, something in here. Here we designed for a fridge. Here for coffee machine. This is for washing the cup. Here is ice machine. Here is from something for washing. Here is the truck box. We can put it in. Also, when we finish it, I can show you guys everything be ready. Okay. If you're interested, you can contact me. Maybe I can show you some surprise. Thank you. Bye.